this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do a hard factor reset to your Gadnic security camera. So the camera is red here, is not working properly. In this case you want to do hard factor reset. If you take the camera, you don't see any button here and there. So how you can do that? The button is hidden. So you do a soft hand touch and find this location exactly. Here you have a button, a knob sort of thing. You have to press and hold. Is right and as well reset. So you have to press and hold this button, this knob. Let me use my nail. Yeah, I hold this one without a screwdriver. Making noise, you hold few seconds. Normally I think with the noise you should be done, but I'm holding a little bit more time. I leave this one because camera is trying to move, is moving. So reset has done, because if not reset done, camera will not move. And you see another color of light, blue color of light is visible. So it's searching for new device, new internet connection to set up. So very easy guys. Here this knob you have to hold, you listen some noise, it's searching for the new connection or something. So this is the whole factor, should work this way. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.